Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install mobile presets on your phone. With my presets you always receive step-by-step photo instructions of the installation. However, I know that still some of you struggles with this, so I hope that this video will be a little helpful. So let's begin. First you need to download the presets to your phone. They will be saved in camera roll. Now let's go to mine. And you can see here 5 blank squares. These are the presets. I have iPhone 11 and in my phone they show up as blank, like here. Before I had Android. In Android they were showing up as normal pictures. Either way it's fine. If in your phone they show up as blank squares like here, don't worry about this, they will still work in the application of Lightroom. So when you already have the presets in your phone, then go to the application of Lightroom, and first we want to import the presets to the application. To do this you need to click this blue button down here on the right and choose from camera roll. You can see here the 5 black squares, DNG files. These are the presets. We click on them and we click down here add. Now let's go to all photos and you can see here the 5 files, the presets. Now you can see that there are pictures. Before they were showing up as blank. Let's open first one, and first we want to save the preset from this picture to the application. To do this you need to click 3 dots in upper right corner and click create preset. Here you need to enter the name of the preset. I will put silver. Down here you need to choose preset group. You can save the preset in user presets, which is a default group, or you can create a new one by clicking on this name. For this video I will create a new one. We'll call it silver, and confirm again, and that's it. The preset is saved in the application. Now you need to follow the steps with every file that you downloaded. So with every preset, with every DNG file that you have here. And now you want to apply this preset to your picture. So to do this you need to import your picture. So again, click this blue button down here, choose from camera roll and choose the picture that you want to edit. Let's choose this one. Now go to the right down here and click preset. Now we want to find the preset group where we save the preset. So let's click color. This is the name of this group. And by clicking on the name of the group we can see all the preset groups that we have saved in Lightroom. I choose the silver one down here, and here's the preset that I saved before. I click on it and it applies on the picture. I confirm, and that's it. Our picture is edited. Now to save the picture, let's click the share button up here and let's click export to camera roll. And that's it. Now you can find your picture here. And if you have any more questions or you need help with anything, don't worry, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll always be happy to help.